Well, the Waqf bill introduced by the Modi government has raised hackles in the opposition, but today the parliament could perhaps witness the summit clash between the NDA and the India bloc. The report compiled by the Joint Parliamentary Committee under the leadership of Chairman Jagdambika Pal could be presented before the parliament. Remember, the report was submitted to the Lok Sabha Speaker on the 30th of January, and this was after the JPC had adopted the draft report and amended the revised Waqf bill. However, as expected, not all appears to be on board. In fact, all appears to be all well. Many are not on board with these reforms. Remember, the report was compiled after 38 meetings, which was conducted over a 5-month-long period. This also included 111 hours of discussions and consultations with 250 delegations. The delegates as well, 1.5 crore representations were also made, and the state Waqf boards have also been consulted for the same. Discussions were also held with the Islamic scholars, senior lawyers, as well as judges.
पूरे देश में अलग-अलग इस प्रदेशों में जेपीसी की कमेटी जाकर के बैठक की, बात की, लोगों से राय मशविरा लिया, लोगों के सुझाव लिया और उसके बाद फिर वो रिपोर्ट तैयार हुई और तब रिपोर्ट जाकर के लोकसभा अध्यक्ष के सामने उनको दी गई। हम भी तो कह रहे हैं कि आपके पास अगर आपकी जमीन है तो आप साक्ष्य दीजिए, खसरा खतौनी दीजिए, कोई दीजिए कि आपने जमीन रजिस्ट्री कराई है, कोई साक्ष्य तो देंगे तभी ना कोई बात बनेगी। मौखिक कहने से हो जाएगा।
मुझे लगता है इस बिल को एक्ट बनना चाहिए और बहुत जल्दी बनना चाहिए इसको कानून। सालों साल से आप देखिए क्या कुछ हो रहा है इसमें। और जो पहला वक्फ बोर्ड जब गठन हुआ था 1954 में, उसके बाद आप देखिए 95 में जब इसको अमेंड करके जो नया बिल लाया गया, संशोधन किया गया, इसने असीमित पावर दे रखा है वक्फ बोर्ड को और उसके ट्राइब्यूनल को। यहां तक कि वो ट्राइब्यूनल ऐसा है कि आप उसके खिलाफ अपील लेकर देश के किसी कानूनी सहारा नहीं ले सकते, किसी भी तरह का कोई भी कोर्ट नहीं जा सकते। और आप देखिए जिस तरह से मिसमैनेजमेंट रहा है।
So 111 hours of discussion, so elaborate discussions have taken place. Let's talk about some of the significant changes that we could see once the amended Waqf laws are implemented. No cases could be reopened retrospectively, and only the disputed government properties will be an exception. In fact, there will not be an opening up of cases that have happened before. Apart from that, state-level officers will also be given the power to adjudicate such cases. And only an individual practicing Islam for at least 5 years may declare any property a Waqf. In fact, this new bill may also remove the Waqf by user clause. What is this clause? Well, this is the clause that deemed properties as Waqf assets solely based on the prolonged use for religious purposes. Now, those who are against these suggested changes in the Waqf laws are demanding that the Waqf by user clause not be omitted. There are others who say that non-Muslims should not be included in the Waqf boards and want the 5-year practicing Muslim clause also removed. So these are some of the changes that have been told by the opposition leaders. There's also opposition to the suggestions on the disputed government properties and also the powers that could be given to the collectors to arbitrate cases. Like I said, the Waqf bill has sparked a furor in the opposition ranks. Here's how some of them are looking at it, even before the report has been submitted and tabled.
जॉइंट पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी जो गठित हुई थी उसमें क्या क्या निर्णय लिए गए, क्या क्या सजेशंस उस बिल को लेकर किए गए हैं, टेबल होगी, रिपोर्ट तब सामने आएगी और उसके चलते फिर जो भी डिसीजन होना है और बिल को लेकर हमारा निर्णय होना है, पहले वो रिपोर्ट पढ़ेंगे, कौन सा उसमें से सरकार उसको अपने बिल में शामिल करती है, उन सबको देखने के बाद ही हम इसके ऊपर कोई अपनी टिप्पणी दे सकते हैं।
जब बुआ के मुंह होगी तब उसको ही चाचा कहेंगे, आने दीजिए उसको। हम कोई भी गैर संवैधानिक बिल अगर होगा उसको पास नहीं होने देंगे। ये ताकत प्रतिपक्ष को, इंडिया गठबंधन को जनता ने दी है और आश्वस्त रहें सब लोग कि संविधान विरुद्ध कोई काम नहीं हो पाएगा। सड़क से लेके संसद तक हर तरीके से लड़ेंगे, भिड़ेंगे और जीतेंगे। आने दीजिए, वहां पर चर्चा होगी, बात होगी और अगर कहीं कोई प्रोविजन ऐसा होगा जो संविधान विरुद्ध है तो उसको हटवाया जाएगा।
My colleague Rishabh is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Rishabh, a lot of discussions have taken place, marathon meetings. We saw some acrimonious scenes as well in these JPC meetings, but finally the bill amendments could be tabled. What's expected in the parliament today? Is the Waqf bill going to be tabled, or is there going to be any delay?
Well, Pratibha, good morning. Today, the Waqf bill is very unlikely to come in, given that the revised list of business for Lok Sabha does not mention tabling of Waqf bill. Remember, the JPC report has been submitted to the Lok Sabha Speaker by, the chair of the JPC, Jagdambika Pal, who is BJP MP. Now, as per the rule, this report will be sent to Minority Affairs Ministry, who, will take these suggestions and may incorporate in the original bill or may not incorporate in the original bill. Once that is done, the Minority Affairs Minister will be tabling the bill on the floor of the House in Lok Sabha. This session does mention the Waqf Amendment Bill, but will it happen today? It's very unlikely, given that the whole business, the revised list of business, does not mention the JPC report to be tabled in the House. Remains to be seen how things unfold, but the amendments that have taken place during the course of JPC are very important, and you have mentioned them. For example, anyone will not be able to give the property to Waqf. He is not practiced Islam for more than 5 years. Waqf by user is something that is very, very important. So
absolutely, the opposition has raised these issues as well. It will be interesting to see how this plays out in the parliament. You're saying that today it's unlikely to be tabled. Rishabh, for the moment, thank you for joining us with those details.